Stop calling yourself lazy. The truth is, you aren't lazy. You've just fallen into a cycle of habits that keep you stuck. You promise yourself you'll start tomorrow, but when tomorrow comes, the mountain feels even taller. Here's the reality. Every time you choose a quick distraction, like endless scrolling or avoiding a hard task, you're actually training your brain to fear effort. This is why even the smallest chores start to feel exhausting. To break this, don't try to climb the whole mountain at once. Start ridiculously small. Just open your laptop or write one single sentence. That's it. Once you break that initial friction, momentum takes over, and momentum is what actually transforms your life. But remember, often your energy is low not because you're physically tired, but because your mind is overloaded with digital noise. A phone break isn't a real break. It's just more distraction. Instead, try a silent walk or sit in stillness to truly reset your brain. Finally, always define your next move. Before you stop for the day, decide exactly what your first step will be tomorrow. This removes the hesitation of starting. Start small, protect your focus, and keep moving. Now, don't just let this video end. Pick one task and start right now. Comment what you're doing and subscribe to stay consistent.